experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Hey everybody, it's Alex here from Shadow Ideas UK and Shadowverse Gaming, because I'm greedy. We here at the Shadowverse Gaming team just wanted to say we hope you'll have a lovely Christmas. We thought you could do with some de-stressing, so we've got some nice chill music, some cool cinematic drone shots that I took in Glastonbury of all the flooding. Not that we should be making it calming, but and a few shots over Glastonbury and Glastonbury Tour. We hope to see you in the new year with more videos, more content. Thanks for sticking with us. See you soon. Goodbye.